Hey, what's up guys, welcome to another video with your boy Chance. Like you guys can see, I'm at the Slam Garage HQ. The boys wanna do a feature of this car, guys. So yeah, if you guys are not subscribed to Slam Garage, Slam SA's YouTube channel, please go do that, boys and girls. The boys are pushing out the content weekly, very consistent, so please go support the gents, boys and girls. Right now they want to check out two cars, Porche and the antics. Oh my, cold start. Sheesh. Thank you, Tiggs. How's Mr. Tiggs?
Good on you, bro.
I'm easy, my brother. Oh, it sounds so nice. These are both Tiggs' babies, guys. And Tiggs is planning to sell this car, guys. The Yaris with air. I don't know if he's gonna sell it with air, but yeah. Here's Mr. Horsey, Mr. Slam Garage. Look at him acting all busy. Stop it. Focus, boy. Focus, boy. But yeah, guys, we want to fill out the cars and then put the car in the E30 in. Give the guys, so they're featuring me in the YouTube channel. I don't know, guys, but I'm a bit shy when I'm being interviewed, so I hope that goes well. But yeah, guys, please subscribe to the channel. And guys, I want to give you guys an update of this car, but I'll give you guys the update a bit later on. I did a few things to the car, so yeah, the car is a bit better than before, but I still have to work on it, guys. I still have a lot of maintenance to do on this car. And also, guys, we are approaching 10k subscribers. Huge shout out to you guys that are subscribing to the channel, boys and girls. I really appreciate that. And I promise you guys that when we reach 10k subscribers, I'm gonna start building the E36. But I think I shot myself in the foot, guys, because I'm still not ready, as I'm still building the E30. Not actually building it, but doing the maintenance work. So that's that. I still have a bunch of stuff to do. And also I have to maintain the Kia as well. So that's that, guys. But we'll get back to this car a bit later on. Yeah, now the gents are waiting for me. Oh,
my heart, my chest.
the behind the scenes, boys. Damn. This car sits like it belongs, my boys. The lighting is proper even. Damn. Sheesh. But the setup is sick though. Some Porche wheels on the wall. Damn. But the model of today is the car, guys. The model.
Much later.
Oh, guys, how beautiful is this side? This Porche. Oh my God, Mr. Tiggs has a beautiful car, boys. I'll forever be in love with this Porche. The Targa, left-hand drive. Oh, it's just so beautiful. 911, boys. But yeah, guys, we just finished recording the feature with the gents from Slam Garage. You guys should go stay tuned for that video. It's gonna come out on their channel pretty soon. It was a nice talk, chill vibes. I'll leave the description to the YouTube channel. I'll leave the link to the YouTube channel down in the description box below.
You're goddamn right.
So make sure to go subscribe to the gents' channel. I think they... Tig, how many subscribers do you guys have now? 350 something. So now road to 500 subs, ne?
Yeah, we're on the road.
Road to 500 subs. So guys, make sure to go subscribe to the gents' channel. The guys are pushing out content, and it's sick content, mind you guys. So make sure that you guys don't miss out on their content. And yeah, I think we're gonna get some rollers after this. So yeah, guys, stay tuned. I still have to update you guys on what I did to the car. When was it? On Friday on this car. So yeah, boys. Thank you. Habashwe. Shovel speed, fun. Bend the tire. What happened there? Oh shit. The Rion. Yeah. Damn. Fitment crazy. Slam Garage, my boy. Cause what did you do? What did you do, bro?
I did nothing.
What you do, bro? But yeah, guys, we just about to take the car out for a roller. It was a chill day at Slam Garage, boys and girls. Super sick. But I think we're gonna come back tomorrow again to shoot a podcast. So that's that. It's just that now I have to dip and go do something else. So that's why. But huge shout out to the guys, man. Hospitality is always on point. And yeah, guys, huge update on the car, maintenance wise. Yesterday, on Friday, I changed my cam belt and my V belt, if you guys want to call it a V belt. Also, my steering wheel is no longer, well, it doesn't have the play that it had before. So now it's pretty solid, as you guys can see. Turn my wheel a bit and it connects. Before, guys, it was all over the place. So the guy that helped me change that yesterday, on Friday, yesterday, he told me that that thing was dangerous to drive with, guys. That rubber coupling on the steering wheel. He told me that he lost one of his friends due to that, actually. So yeah, like his friend was flying. Next thing, when he tried to turn the wheel, the steering wheel just went in circles, and he went. So instant death. So he was telling me that it was super risky to do that. So I really had to do it. Lucky enough, I did actually buy the part from BMW. We fitted it yesterday, so at least, guys, I was able to. What's that?
I did nothing.
Is it?
Yeah, I did nothing.
Okay. Nicely. Hey! What's that? No cook. Yeah. But yeah, guys, luckily I did order the part from BMW, fitted it, so now my steering wheel is nice and connected. No longer gonna do that wheel pay. So oh, full send. I didn't get that. Take it out again. I missed that.
See, you can't drive his car. I can drive his car. I can drive his
I would rather
car.
not do that.
I can even drive.
Yeah, I also wouldn't be able to do that.
No, I'm sorry.
I took it to boulders and everything.
I could never
With
do
that.
that. That's fine. I could never do that. I'm sorry.
I took it to boulders with that.
Now since he missed you going into the house, so you must take it out again.
Yeah, I think you have to do a retake. You have to do a retake, Tiggs. But yeah, ready for the rolly? Rolly. Danko. What, say that again? Oh yeah. But yeah, guys. So maintenance on this car is coming along nicely. Still have to do my control arms. Still want to do that badly. But yeah, as long as I change my belts, guys, because they were really in bad condition, I think I might have took videos.
Hands up.
And Tiggs also has a mic also.
Nah, we're gonna do the rollers from there. So.
Okay. Right. Mr. Horsey joined us, guys.
Yeah,
Horsey,
yeah.
welcome to the
Experiencing luxury.
luxury. There's a lot of clings in this car. Yeah, guys. Going for that rollie. Guys, look at the pickup. Picanto bruise. Huh? It does. Tiggs, your face. Nothing. He's gonna leave.
Well, I know where you're going, so.
Okay. Alright. Okay. So yeah, guys, we are now shooting rollers of the E30. See, Tiggs is outside the Kia Picanto. Yeah, guys, I've been doing a bad job at recording, so yeah, but we are doing rollers. The gents also have mic. Copy. So yeah, guys, we're using walkie-talkies to communicate. I don't know if you guys heard that when Tig said I should keep right on at the robot. So yeah, but guys, now you guys can see I sorted the steering wheel, but I need to get an alignment on the car, because you guys see how like the car's going straight but the steering wheel is turned to the right. So that's something that we still need to sort out. But yeah, the boys En de Kia Picanto. En de Picanto.